Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows version and connecting any external monitor if needed. This avoids driver surprises. Once connected, open Settings, then System, and choose Display so you can see active screens. Make sure to identify primary versus secondary displays visually. Use the Identify button. You will also note target resolution and orientation before changing anything, because Windows keeps previous values. Begin by selecting the display tile you want to modify, so the next steps apply to that screen. You now change resolution and scaling to match your monitor. Start by selecting the specific display tile, set scale to the recommended % or a custom value to adjust text and icon sizes. Next, choose the resolution drop-down and pick the native resolution for the sharpest result. Once done, change orientation if you need portrait mode and click Apply to Preview. Windows gives a 15-second confirmation. If the preview looks good, confirm. If not, revert or try a different resolution. This preserves usability. You finish by confirming the layout and saving settings. Drag display tiles to mirror your physical setup so the cursor moves naturally between screens. Once done, test apps and full-screen content to verify scaling and resolution hold up. If you encounter limited resolution options or flicker, make sure to update or reinstall the GPU/display driver via Device Manager. A key troubleshooting tip: boot safe mode and roll back the driver if the system becomes unstable after changes. This restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.